The Soul Preacher is a really warm-sounding compressor sustainer that offers really great clarity and punch. And it's got these 3 different attack modes on it that really allow you to dial in exactly, what you're looking for in a guitar sustainer. And because it's also a nano footprint, it really slides really easily into a pedal board that is perhaps already overloaded. So we're going to go through and we're going to check out some examples, but a quick tour of the faceplate says you have a volume here, which is on the output stage, and it's going to give you up to 40 dB of gain on the output. You have the sustain here, which is the amount of compression that you're applying to the signal, and then you can choose from fast, medium, and slow attack. All right, so here's like a dry, no Soul Preacher kind of riff. All right, we'll kick in the Soul Preacher. We have a fast attack. We have a decent amount of sustain. Got the output gain set to where we want it, and here's what it sounds like. So as you can hear, that's like really great for like the funk kind of riff because it gives it a really quick attack and makes it really biting. We're going to move over to the medium setting. We're going to increase the sustain a little bit, and this one's really good for kind of just bringing out the sweetness of leads. So now we're going to move over to the slow mode, and slow mode has the slowest attack. What that means is that it's going to really kick in kind of near the end or farther along and really provide a beautiful bloom at the end. It sounds a little something like this. So the Soul Preacher is a great sounding compressor sustainer with its 3 attack modes. You can really just dial in exactly the sound you're looking for and really hit the definition that you need. It's a small pedal with a great sound.